So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view market indexes here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is to go to the main screen here, go to the right hand side where it says market trends, and then press on market indexes. Once you're on this page, you can go ahead and view a bunch of different market indexes for a bunch of different markets. So here in the Americas, you can view the S&P, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the S&P, etc. If you want to view Europe, Middle East, or Africa, you can go ahead and do that. There's also Asia Pacific in regards to the different indexes. So if you want to go ahead and view more, for instance, you can press on more and then view all the different indexes that are being offered here in the region. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view market indexes on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.